and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nisha and this video is going to be so much different, as you have read the title, that I am going to do my makeup without any brushes, without any beauty blenders, without anything. So it's going to be so much tough for me as well, that I'm going to do my makeup with my hands only. So let's see, and if you're interested to watch till the end, so let's get started. Guys, let's start with the covering or binding the hairs. So I'm going to keep my hairs, कोई भी जोड़ा आंबोड़ा जो भी बांधना है बांध लो, and then take a hair band and just that your hair should not disturb you while you are doing makeup. So yeah, so I'm going to start with my makeup. Firstly, I'm going to apply any cream, means as a toner or as a primer, or you can say as the base of the makeup. आप कुछ भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो. It can be Nivea cream, it can be like aloe vera gel or anything. So I am going to use this Nivea cream. As I said, I'm doing it with my hands, so it's quite very different. Let's start. Mix it so goodly that it should not be like कोई जगह पे रह जाना है and all. So mix it so well, and if you want you can use more. वैसे पूरा मेकअप आज मैं हाथ से करने वाली हूँ, देखते कैसा रहेगा. मैंने कभी ट्राई नहीं किया, बट लेट्स सी. As you can see, आप टोनर की तरह कोई एसेंशियल ऑयल एंड ऑल ऐसे आते हैं हाँ मार्केट में, आप वो भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. बट मैं आपको से सजेस्ट करना चाहूँगी कि आप कोई लाइट सी क्रीम यूज़ कर लो. इट विल बी मोर इफेक्टिव. सो अनदर थिंग विच आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ इज़ माई प्राइमर. इट इज़ ऑफ बायोटिक बायो सैंडलवुड. Look, okay, so you can see लेफ्ट हैंड से करना पड़ रहा है, राइट हैंड में गिर गया हूँ. आप प्राइमर लगा लो. एक्चुअली मैं लगा रही हूँ यहाँ पे सिर्फ हाथ से. Actually, I have never did my makeup without any beauty blender or without any brush. It's quite difficult for me to do as well. So you can see, आँखें का लग गया. For concealing your under eyes, and you can use primer as double layer, और आप या तो कंसीलर भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. बट मैं कंसीलर अभी फ़िलहाल नहीं यूज़ कर रही हूँ. एंड यू कैन सी, सो इट्स डन. नेक्स्ट थिंग विच आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई will be this foundation. It's from Lakme, and I'm going to open it. ओपन होने में बहुत टाइम लग गया इसको. सी, फाइनली ओपन हो गया. इतना ज़्यादा टाइट था कि इसे खोलने में ही बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग गया. एज यू कैन सी, मैं इसमें से फाउंडेशन निकाल रही हूँ. उसको बहुत ना मेहनत लगती है फाउंडेशन निकालने के लिए. आई डोंट नो कैसे बना है इसे. फाइनली आई गॉट सम. सी, इसको भी आप कंसीलर की तरह यूज़ कर सकते हो. इससे बहुत अच्छा लुक आता है. जैसे फुल फेस पे मस्त लगा लो, एंड जस्ट इट्स टाइम टू गेट मिक्स. माय गॉड, पहली बार फाउंडेशन को हाथ से लगाना इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट. सी माय फेस, माय ट्रांजिशन. people prefer to do first eye makeup then apply the foundation, but personally I feels like to apply the foundation and then do the eye makeup because it is quite convenient. ऐसा लग रहा है मैं कोई फेस वॉश लगा रही हूँ. You can see, I don't know it has been blended or not properly. Actually personally I prefer beauty blender for blending the foundation. You can use that brush also which comes with that soft sponge. You can see let's look good. I think आप लोग ज़्यादा बोर तो नहीं हो रहे ना. इट हैज़ डन. बहुत मेहनत से लगी आज फाउंडेशन. इतनी मेहनत तो मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम मेकअप करने में भी नहीं हुई थी. सो फाउंडेशन को करते हैं बंद एंड इट्स टाइम फॉर व्हाट फॉर कॉम्पैक्ट. माय गॉड, नेक्स्ट डिफिकल्ट थिंग इट्स कॉम्पैक्ट. आई एम यूजिंग हियर, इट्स ऑल्सो फ्रॉम लैक्मे का कॉम्पैक्ट विदाउट दिस. ओके, हैव यू मैनेज? लेट्स सी. हाथ से कॉम्पैक्ट कौन लगाता है? दिस इज माय व्यू. कौन लगाता है भाई हाथ से कॉम्पैक्ट? मेरे को कमेंट करके बताना. सी मैन, आज पता नहीं मैं मेरे फेस का क्या हालत बना के रख दूँगी. माय गॉड, ये तो कुछ नहीं, मैं लिपस्टिक भी हाथ से अप्लाई करने वाली हूँ. माई आई मेकअप विद ऑल्सो विथ माई हैंड, फिंगर्स की मदद से. कैसे लगाते हैं यार कॉम्पैक्ट हाथ से? बस ये आई थिंक हो गया. इट्स रेडी आई थिंक. मैं एक आपको ना टिप देना चाहूँगी कि आप ना अपने कॉम्पैक्ट को अपने आईज़ पे भी लगाया करो. उससे क्या होता है, जो भी हम आई मेकअप करते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा हाईलाइट करता है. सो इट्स लुक सो मच गुड विद द कॉम्पैक्ट. I always prefer that. You can see it's look good. ऐसा लग रहा है ना मेरे पास ना मेकअप ब्रशेस है ना स्पॉन्ज है, ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर है, कुछ नहीं, ऐसा फील हो रहा है मुझे. So the next thing which I'm going to do is to apply eyeshadow. This is my eyeshadow palette. As you can see the colors, the shades. I'm going to apply. I'm going to apply quite nude ones. You can see nude shades. वो भी हाथ से. Quite difficult. ये वाला शेड लगा रही हूँ ना. I'm using quite glitter ones because it looks quite good with highlighted clothes. आप अपने हिसाब से कर सकते हो जो भी आपको मन करे. You can see I have applied this one. हाथ से कैसे अप्लाई हो रहा है? Actually I'm mixing two shades with together and it becomes this one shade. It's quite trendy. बाप रे, कहाँ चला जा रहा है? How is it looking? Yeah, it's look good I think. Now it's time for the pink one because means it is not full pink. You can see it. It is quite mixed shade. Guys, if you are liking this video, no, so please like it. because हाथ से आई शेडो लगाना it's quite difficult. It's very much difficult. And at last I'm using this one shade. And now it's time for wait first. Let me हाथ साफ कर लूँ. And next thing which I'm going to apply, I don't know how the eyeshadow looks actually, but let me apply some more pink. That's good. And next thing which I'm going to apply is the blush. So I know here we are applying highlighter, but I actually prefer to apply blush as well, because of the blush it looks quite attractive. You'll see. Blush भी हाथ से. आप देख सकते हो कितना अजीब लग रहा है. I'm thinking that I should need, or I am needing of classes. Okay, now I'm going to apply some highlighter wala compact. You see, some more blush. Blush looks so good. I personally prefers to apply blush every time when I'm doing my makeup, so it looks good. And now it's time for highlighter. I hope you guys are not getting bored. मैं एक्चुअली ये वीडियो पूरी क्यों बना रही हूँ, क्योंकि यू गाइस आल्सो कैन गेट द आइडिया दैट हाउ एक्चुअली वी कैन डू आवर मेकअप इफ वी आर नॉट हैविंग दैट ब्रश एंड ऑल एट दैट टाइम, और व्हेन यू आर परचेसिंग द न्यू मेकअप्स. सो देन आल्सो you can see so blush ready and everything. Actually my 90% makeup has done, and the main thing in a makeup will be a lipstick, because without lipstick makeup can't complete. So wait, highlighter actually looks good in your eyes or on your eyes. Yeah. Guys, I am not applying that eyeliner because it is impossible to apply eyeliner with your hands, so I'm not applying that, I'm saying frankly. And the next thing which I'm going to apply is lipstick, of course, but with my hand is very much difficult, but I know I can do because I have did this much things. And again I'm going to apply this Vaseline first for carrying the lip, but this also I have to apply with my hands. It's quite easy. And another and the last thing which I'm going to apply is the lipstick. So I'm quite confused that I should apply a red one or pink one. Which will look better? I think this one will look better. Let's apply with hand, finger. I don't know guys how. You can see guys. it's looking like natural makeup. It's quite difficult to apply lipstick with hand, but I can do it, and I have did some. I hope this will look good. हो गया खराब? No, it's good. Better. And this is a light pink shade, but if you are getting dark to it, so it will get darker and darker. So it depends upon you कि आप उसे dark apply कर रहे हो या light apply कर रहे हो. And so almost my makeup is ready, so I'm coming with doing my hair. It's time for the hair. I have just opened my hairs and I'm going to just make it like that will look. You can do simply like, yeah, I think it will look better. How's this makeup, guys? Comment down below. And if you really enjoyed watching this video, so do give it a like and of course subscribe to my channel. And how I'm making hair, see, I think it will be a blooper part for me. So wait a while, guys. I think no, the middle partition will look good. Yeah, it looks good. If you want for your hairs, you can use what? You can use wooden combs. I'm using since many while. It is not sponsored, but I'm just saying for your hair growth, hair care, I can say. And how's it look? Does it look good? I think it is more better actually. It is my legendary hairstyle from since childhood. Signature hairstyle, I can say. I think it looks more better. And I think I need to end this video, either it will go an extent like half an hour. So it's time to end this video. I'm also not feeling good, so but then also, and really if you like this video, so comment में एक बार ज़रूर बताना कि कैसा लगा, because I have never tried and I have never watched this type of video on YouTube that someone is doing full face makeup without hand, means without brushes, without brushes and all. So I did that and I was thinking that to try something new, because this was never on my channel. So if you guys really like, then like it, and if you enjoyed, then please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the another videos. And how's it looking? Same here. I'm not believing that I have did this makeup without any brushes and all. You see? It's looking like I'm taking a selfie, but yeah. And one more hairstyle can be good for this makeup will be, I'm showing you guys that. How's it looking? Same here. I was talking about this hairstyle. It looks like a interview hairstyle which you can make for your interview, and I think it looks good. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, so do like, share and subscribe to my channel. and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.